Meet Sarah, facing the all-too-common business hurdles. The solution? 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts. Desperate for a breakthrough, Sarah discovered the game-changing 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts. Suddenly, the answer was clear. With 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts, Sarah's business outlook transformed. Each of the 3,000 prompts ignited her creativity, strategy, and growth. Sarah's business was evolving. Thanks to the 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts, her customer engagement and sales skyrocketed. The secret? Simply leveraging the power of 3,000 ChatGPT prompts. Your turn to harness the 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts, just like Sarah did. And it's all free. Join entrepreneurs worldwide transforming their businesses with these 3,000 free prompts. Imagine rewriting your business story with these 3,000 ChatGPT prompts, just like Sarah. Don't wait. Jumpstart your business journey with these 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts. Click Sign Up and begin your success story with 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts today. Revolutionize your business. Start now with 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts.